Guys, we've just discovered that we have a demon in the house. Oh no. Oh, keep it away. No, give it to me. Give it to me.
This is
Right, go and get the Bible. Go get the Bible.
No!
You, go get the Bible.
no.
Go get the Bible.
What Bible?
We need to kill the demon.
Do you even have a Bible?
This thing is creepy. Did you not hear the sounds I was making? Oh my god, that.
Can I post this on my TikTok account? Can I record a video of it and then say
Yeah.
I'm scared? WTF?
Yeah, this thing's creepy as hell. This bird came from hell. Look at the color of it. It's red. So you can tell this came from hell. Ha, that rhymes.
Yeah.
Like seriously, look at that. And that's possessed as fuck. Like shh, 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 shh. Listen to the sounds it's making. Get out of here, Red!
I think it's like actually like struggling but trying to speak.
No, it's a possessed demon.
Wait.
Oh my god. So basically, we were just on my I was looking at my computer, and then I just hear sound before that I was like pressing the bird like over and over, and I gave up, so I put it over there, and then as soon as I upload like something to YouTube, I noticed there was sounds coming from something, and then I looked.
I'm trying to push this button here. Did we kill him?
He can't. He's immortal. He'll come back. Don't worry.
It's immortal. It means you'll never die.
Yo, Red. Okay. The best thing to do with this.
Yeah, it's definitely dead. Just a toy that's struggling to breathe.
No, it's a demon. It came from hell. What? Anyway, if I notice about the demon, if the demon starts making noises again, I'll tell you. I think we took it out for now. After we threw it.
It's not even real.
It's a demon. It came from hell.
If it struggles to speak, then what else struggles to speak?
Thomas, get out of my cupboard, please. Anyway, guys, we're going to end it here. Make sure that demon stays out. Because you can put that Furby away. Those things are evil. Anyway. You put that away. That's evil. Really evil.
OMG. Do? Really?
Don't.
Do? Okay.
Sleep.
But anyway, guys, make sure if you have one of these in your house, you better throw it in the trash.
Wait, this is actually what.
Because this thing is creepy.
This is really what.
I bet everyone has this because seriously, this is one of the most recognizable places.
Right, this is what actually happened. We got this years ago. Whenever I was probably before I was even born. Because
Guy, it's making crackling sounds. Think. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's 666 for you.
Shut up.
This is what happens when you call 666.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
Just end the video.
Okay, guys.
Right on.
Make sure if you have one of these, throw them in the trash.
This is really what happened. Years ago we got this, and it's probably dead, and that's probably why it's making strange noises. But we think it's the devil. Well, he thinks it's the devil. I think it's the... Shut up.
What is
Why
this?
just destroy the speaker?
No, because because that's not the way to kill it. Because it will.
Okay, I'll figure out how to...
No, it's okay.
No. It's trying to make out the sounds. Like if you can even like the
No, it's a demon. Anyway, guys, we'll give you more